Music is driven from the sound of nature, the color of the sky, the clouds. This is what it's all about.
This is a song that got me noticed. This song has opened many doors for me in my life.
I live in Bombay, and it's, as far as the culture and everything that we do over there, we are completely removed and distanced from, the real India.
So this is a kind of a wake-up call to people, to tell them that, okay, here are some people who are unsung heroes.
I try and tell my stories through my songs.
We like being where we're from.
Because it's a lonely game. You sit by yourself in front of a computer screen for many hours, and there's nobody around you, sometimes for days. And you're putting the song or putting the piece of music together.
This positive energy that you grab it all the way, wherever you are. You just take it in, and then finally go on stage and boom, yeah.